So hello to everyone watching the video. My name is Albert and I'm the owner of AT Design Studios, and this is my first video about ring making. I specialize in making custom titanium, stainless Damascus steel and wood rings, and today we are here in our workshop, and what we're going to try to do is making a new ring, which means that this is a new design I haven't tried doing before. So this time is going to be a titanium ring with turquoise and glow powder inlay. So let's begin our journey and let's hope the ring turns out great. By the way, this video is not a tutorial, it's more kind of an entertainment video, but if any of you would like me to make an in-depth tutorial, let me know in the comments section below of this video and I might just do that for the next video. So first of all, we'll need the ring blank, and we're going to make it ourselves from this titanium rod I have in my hand. As you can see, the rod itself is already pre-drilled. I usually do it beforehand so that we can start working on my ring project straight away, and it saves me quite some time in most cases. This piece is 25mm in diameter, so it's around 1 inch, and it's a perfect piece of material for the rings that are sized between 9 and 13 US. The ring we're making today is going to be size 10.5 US, as this is the ring size I wear myself, and in most of the cases my prototype rings are made to this size so that I can test fit them on my own fingers before making them available to my customers. What we will also need is some inserts that we are going to use for machining the titanium, and these are made from tungsten carbide, which is very hard material, and we will need every bit of that hardness to machine the titanium. So without further ado, let's start working on our ring blank. What we will do in the beginning, we're going to bore the inside of the ring so that the ring itself is ring size 10.5 US, as I have stated before. After that, we're going to mark the cutoff point with the parting tool I have in my hand and make the inlay groove for the stones and glow powder. So we finished machining our titanium piece, and we now have our basic ring blank that has a groove inside of it for the inlay. And we're gonna put it inside of the vise and start gluing turquoise mixed with glow powder. And we're gonna do that using some high viscosity cyanoacrylate glue.
One eternity later.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to take some of the excess material away and sand it off before putting a couple of clear coats of cyanoacrylate on top of the inlay. So now the main piece of ring is cut off from the titanium rod. We're gonna start sanding it, and we're gonna use this patent pending PVC piece that I cut away from the PVC pipe to hold the ring in a chuck, because we don't want the teeth of the chuck to make any indents in the ring itself. And it's gonna be a pretty long process and probably the most boring one, so wish me luck. After sanding the inner part of the ring with sandpaper ranging from 120 to 3000 grit, we then used some nano polishing compound to polish out the surface to a high gloss finish. So after doing that, we can now see that the inside of the ring looks almost like a mirror, and now it's time to do the same thing on the outside of the ring. So now we can see that the ring is basically finished. Now we just need to clean it up a little bit, and we will see how it turns out. So as we can see, the ring is now finished, and I think it looks pretty good, even with the light source coming from the side. And what we will want to do now is to see how it looks if we dim out the light. Yeah, so we can clearly see that even with the dim light, it's already pretty bright and it looks kind of nice. What do you think? And so I think we went through quite a lot today, and it's probably a good time to end the video. I will put some photos of the ring in the end of the video so that you can see how it looks like from the up close. One more thing before I go, there's a link in the video description that forwards you to my Etsy shop, and for those who have watched the video, there's a discount code there as well. So if you like the ring or you want to see more and more work on Etsy, follow the link, and I hope you will find it useful. You can also just message me with your questions on Etsy webpage, and I will try to answer all of them as well. And for now on, I say goodbye, and I hope to see you in the next video.